Querétaro is a beautiful city. It is located in the center of Mexico. It is known for its well-preserved Spanish colonial architecture with a striking pink stone aqueduct. Among the notable Baroque buildings, the Church of Santa Rosa de Viterbo stands out. The professions found here are many. There is a wide variety of careers to study, such as undergrad engineering, among others. The universities that teach them are quite good and competitive with each other. In fact, Querétaro is considered one of the cities with the most young inhabitants, being highly demanded in their education. To tell the truth, I am almost certain that in a few years more schools will open so that more study opportunities will be found. But let's continue with the celebrations. In this city, many things are celebrated. Mexico is characterized by its tradition and culture because there is a beauty in it. The traditional festivals of Querétaro are full of history, the most outstanding of which are the possession of silence, which has been celebrated for more than 30 years. This custom has a long list of meanings of the predominant religion in our country, which is Catholicism. So it may seem complex, but in reality, this ritual will not take long in leading you to desire to trap yourself in an environment full of mystery and religiosity. You can enjoy this procession in the historic center of Querétaro and admire the odors of the participants every Good Friday. The Via Crucis is another of the important celebration signs in La Cañada. One of the most famous traditions is the representation of the Passion of Christ, which brings together more than 20,000 spectators and religious every year. Because due to the quality of the event as well as the enthusiasm and devotion of the people, this tradition has transcended for more than 50 years and has definitely become one of the most famous stations of the cross in the state. Likewise, the trips that can be made within this great city and wonderful and unforgettable. I recently went to San Joaquin, a magic town, Science 2015, located in the Sierra Gorda. It is full of history and offers a great tourist diversity, cultural and gastronomic well and impressive natural landscapes. The town is nestled between mountains and surrounded by pine and oak trees that contrast with the colorful house. A magical and glorious experience. I will definitely return. There are also different magical points to visit, which are Corregidora and Pirámide del Pueblito. Its main attraction is the Pyramid of the Great Cue, also known as the Pyramid of El Pueblito, and which belongs to the El Cerrito Arqueológico. Two, also the Bridge of Good on the Canela River is one of the most famous, saying it stands out for the exuberant nature that surrounds it, as well as the crystalline water that rises from the stones and accumulates in small pools where you can enter and cool off after of a long walk. Finally, let's talk about the challenge we face as a city. The main one is the pandemic. We have all been victims of the terrible event. However, we must do our part, each one of us, to overcome this harsh reality. Another challenge we face is overpopulation and industrial growth. This because Querétaro is characterized by being a city with great job opportunities. Therefore, the population has grown horribly, causing pollution to grow. However, given the challenge that we face as humanity, young people have the ability to move the country forward. I know that in a few years, with a lot of effort, we will be able to generate new opportunities to obtain a sustainable and active city. Querétaro will be great, preserving its essence. We can be a great example to the world. We just have to strive to obtain their best results.